Assalamu alaikum 8th class. Today we will discuss different properties of metals. Metals are part of our daily lives. Electricity cable is made of copper and copper is a metal. Car body panels are made up of steel and steel is also a kind of metal. There are also some non-metals that can do one or two of the above things. Many crystals, for example, are shiny and reflect light, but they do not conduct electricity. Only metals have high melting points and can reflect light, conduct electricity, have their shape changed, and be drawn out into wires without breaking. Now let's see the properties of metal in detail. Atoms in metals are packed closely together. That's why most metals are much denser than non-metals. So the first property of the metal is metals have high density because there is a little empty space between the atoms. Second property of the metal is that metals are malleable and ductile. The atoms in a metal are arranged in a regular pattern. When a force is applied to a metal, the layers of atoms slip over each other. Metals does not break, but it does change shape. Although metals are dense and strong, they can be easily shaped by hitting them with a hammer. Third property of metal is metals can conduct electricity and heat. In metals, atoms are held close together. Their outermost electrons are not tied to any atom and they are free to move. When an electric voltage is connected to the metal, an electric current flows because the electrons are free to move. Non-metals do not have a sea of free electrons in their structure, so they do not conduct electricity. That's why they are known as insulators. So these are the three properties of metals. First, metals are dense. Second, they can change their shape. And the third one is they can conduct electricity and heat.